Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing my first series of really fall fashion, transitioning from summer into fall, how you can do it, and today's video is in partnership with CupsheApp. So you guys know I fell in love with CupsheApp probably like 2 summers ago and really dove into them this past summer, but I had no idea how much they were growing their fashion in terms of like clothing and accessories and shoes. If you guys have not checked out CupsheApp in the past, now is the perfect time to do so. If you download the app, which all the details will be in the description box down below, you will receive 20% off your first order of $105 or more, and it is such an amazing way to shop their extensive site. I love it. It's my favorite way to shop for CupsheApp. So if you have checked out CupsheApp before, you know they have an extensive variety of clothing with different styles, and I really do love their quality. Then you know me, I picked the basics. I like good quality that I can transition from one season into the next. So I really wanted to share with you my top picks, what I picked from their intro to fall line that I know I'll be able to wear currently, but I'll also be able to transition it into the fall, and I wanted to share with you how I'll be transitioning them to the fall. All the outfits will be linked in the description box down below, as well as my sizing that I ordered from CupsheApp. So if you're curious to see how I plan to transition my summer outfits into fall, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you know me at all, you know I live for a blue and white striped button down. This one is awesome. I really like the fabric on this. It's very like flowy and doesn't like wrinkle, which is amazing. I didn't even seam this when I got it out of the package, and it's still in pristine condition. And I think this is key for making sure that it can be transitioned. So for instance, you can start your day off at the pool as a beach cover up. This would be awesome. This is such a basic staple piece if you do not have one in your wardrobe. You can also elevate this for a more workwear, professional wear as well. I absolutely love a good quality white and blue striped button down, and I think that it's the most versatile piece, and you can transition it to any season. It makes a really great addition to your wardrobe. All right, this next piece I'm actually really excited for. I am not a huge dress sort of girl, but I do love a wrap style dress. I feel like it is so versatile. And again, that's really what I'm focusing on when adding new things to my wardrobe is how many ways can I style it? What is the practicality of this piece? Can it go from one season to the next? And this piece checks all of those boxes. This is such a fun, like, super casual. You can pair it with sandals, but you can also pair it with sneakers for a little more sporty look, and then you can dress it up with some heels, and it is such a versatile dress. Again, just makes it transitioning from different seasons effortless. This dress is very, very nice fitting. Love the quality. I actually really like the red. I'm not really a huge fan of red normally, but I feel like this red color is kind of a darker, muted red. I feel like it flatters a lot more people than that bright red, which I feel like can be a little harsh on certain people skin tones. This dress is beautiful. Obviously the wrap detail is so insanely flattering, and I love the flouncy sleeves as well. Okay, so this next dress is like the epitome of what I think is a transitional dress and perfect for your capsule wardrobe. If you do not have a white, like eyelet, beautiful long dress, then this one is perfect. I love it's very like carefree boho sort of vibe. You could wear this to vacation with some fun sandals, really bright, really like, I don't know, cool sunglasses. You can really make this very vacation. You can also make this grocery store, throw on with some sandals, a cute bag, run around town. Very, very seamless, very easy. But this would also make such a perfect transitional piece. Since it is white, you can throw a denim jacket over the top of it. You can also take a sweater and tie it around, so you're giving the dress a whole different look with it just being like a skirt and blocking off. Absolutely love white eyelet. I know a lot of people say no white after Labor Day, but I don't believe in that rule. I think that this dress is a perfect transitional piece for your wardrobe, and the quality is awesome. I absolutely love eyelet. I think it can be really summery, but I think it's just very elegant and very fresh. This dress, mixes my two favorite things into one. I love blue and white stripes. I love button downs, and this is a button down dress. This dress is like the epitome of classy to me. I love the shape, the fit, everything about this. I didn't even know with sizing, but follow their size chart. It's amazing, and it will not steer you wrong, because I was like, I can tend to kind of like pucker at the buttons at the chest, but this dress fits amazingly with some nude heels. Would be perfect for workwear with sneakers. So cute for just like a day party, running around, grabbing lunch with your toddler. Love the length on this. Feel like it's such a classy dress. And again, you can just style it so many different ways. I do not actually own a blue and white striped dress. I used to own one back in the day, but I had to get rid of it because of the way that it no longer fit me after having a baby. So I'm so happy to be welcoming this back in my wardrobe. And I forgot how versatile of a piece this is. A perfect transition into fall with the longer length. All right, so this next piece, honestly, I'm ashamed to say that I do not own a black and white striped button down. Like, who am I? I love button downs, but I didn't own one. So when I saw this, I knew this would be ideal for transitioning into fall. The black, I love darker colors. Obviously in the fall, I think we all just gravitate towards darker colors. This could be so cute with a black blazer. Again, paired over a black bathing suit for, again, a more transitional piece if it's still warm. Like when I lived in Texas, girl, we were still swimming in the fall, so it was totally fine. The feel of this is a lot more lightweight, which I think is really nice. Again, you can layer with it. You can throw a sweater on over the top. So many different ways to style this top, and it is so cute. I love the black and white stripes, and it's very different in terms of my traditional. I think I normally go with like a larger stripe. This is more of like a pinstripe look, and I am here for it. Okay, last but not least is this little black and white polka dotted romper. This is super precious. I like that it's a romper, especially when it's short. I just feel more covered, more concealed, can run around and chase my toddler. This would be so cute with some sneakers, a denim jacket, or black heels. This is the epitome of making sure that outfits and items that you're bringing into your wardrobe can be used in many different ways. So you can wear this day to day, you can wear this very casual, but you can also dress this up for a night out on the town, dinner, drinks, anything like that. It is so cute, it's so pretty. I love the longer length of the sleeves, which is why I think it is a great transition into fall. So yeah, those are all of my top picks from CupsheApp. I don't think that fashion has to cost you an arm and a leg. I love that you can get high quality products, like not just swimwear on their site. I absolutely love bringing new pieces into my wardrobe that already fit and really complement my style and the fashion that I already have. So if you have not, again, downloaded the CupsheApp app, go ahead and check out the links in the description box down below. You can save 20% off your first order of $105 or more, which is a great incentive to go ahead and browse and see what you need in your wardrobe for the fall. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.